So guys, so you know that TuxPaint, that old app where most people like the ripoff of I don't think it's a ripoff. I think it's like an old Microsoft Paint or maybe it's Paint. Yeah, it's an old Paint. But every time you tap onto these, look. So, boom. But I always wondered, what if you make this into a song? Like. Okay, guys, I know this is pretty bad, but like, imagine if someone made like a song with this. That would be incredible. That would be really weird, wouldn't it? A TuxPaint type. What would you call it? Like, beep sound or something?